Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm unboxing a C-stand from Neewer or Newer, however you pronounce it. I'll just show you the actual sticker. I don't know if you can see that. So it's a pro video stand, I think they call it. So I'll just move back here so we can see me, and I might speed this up as we unbox. So here we go. Okay, so let's have a look at the parts. So basically it comes 4 bits. That's just the Allen key. So nothing magical there. But this is the stand. So let me come a little bit closer so you can see it. It's got 3 legs and they just unwind. So actually I might show you the top bit first. So we'll just open that out. It is made out of a steel that's rust resistant. And the stand can be used indoors or outdoors, it says on the ad. And as you can see, I'm just turning the legs and then they'll catch into that groove there. See the groove there? It just pops in, and then you do that with the next one. And it will catch into the back groove, I think. Let's just see, here we go. So once that's set up, they're pretty sturdy. And then we'll just put it on the floor. There's Allen keys to the Allen key to tighten all these things as you need. I'll just set it up here so you can see it. Then I'll show you the next pole. This pole goes into there. It's quite well made, nice and sturdy. And I'll show you the front. So these are the 2 locks that you can pull it out to. I think it ranges from about 1 meter to 3. I'll leave the link in the description so you can have a look at all the specs. That's just the top of it, and it's got a little rubber ring there just to stop anything hitting. And I'll put that in now. Just simply go straight in and just tighten it up. And you can tighten these up too so they don't rattle. And this brings us to the final pole. So you've got the 2 connectors there that allow you to spin right round basically. Once you've got them all loosened, you can go that way as well as this way. So on this one you've got different size poles, different size holes for different size poles, so that you can you know, depending on what size your boom, your reflectors are, etc., you can use different size screw holder. And let me just show you the tips as well. So it comes with one is the 2/8 and one is the 3/8. So you've got 2 options, just easily turning one to the other rather than having to put a connector on, which is quite handy. And once I put this in, and just before I put it in, I'll show you that that stand can take a light. So this is the Neewer SL60W, and it can just fit straight on the top there. And it can also fit on that, so I'm not sure which way it should be used, but I just want to show you that it fits onto there. So then if we just put that one onto here, all you do is just slip the correct size opening onto there, and it just pops straight on. You can tighten it off, and that gives you the ability to rotate the pole. And then this one gives you the option to, say, put a reflector flag thing in and find the right one. Pop that in. And then that allows you to really put this wherever you like it. You know, you can rotate it up or down through here, and you've got this way the option to go with the other knob to go that way. So you really can position these anywhere you like, which is why I bought this particular boom arm. And it gives you height as well, so it's pretty cool. Yes, so that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, just give a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything to ask me about the stand, just write in the comments. I usually answer every question that comes in. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.